Hi guys, this is my new YouTube channel. In this channel, we are discussing about some interesting topics which are useful for our future. Here, now we are discussing about real world case study problem in our daily life. In this, one of the case study problem is that customer segmentation using machine learning. Before knowing that, we have to see our introduction. In introduction, we can see that artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, problem statement, ideation of solution, and finally conclusion. To know about this, we know about first what is AI and what is ML. First thing, what is AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the capability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do activities that normally require human intelligence and judgment. It is nothing but which it is thinkful by itself and take its own decisions. Artificial intelligence is a theory of development of computer systems that can prefer tasks of normal require human intelligence. It is nothing but it can think like an human. According to the current system of classification, there are four primary AI types. The first thing is reactive, and second one is limited memory, and third one is theory of mind, and finally self-aware. In this, we can see three types of AI, and the first is artificial narrow intelligence, and second is artificial general intelligence, and third thing is artificial super intelligence. I think you know about these three intelligence, artificial intelligence. In later, we can see some of things like uh, advantages and some disadvantages of AI. At first, we can see about advantages of AI, artificial intelligence. It defends a more powerful and more useful for computers. And second one is it introduces a new improved interface for human interaction. And third one is it introduces a new technique to solve a problem. And fourth one is it handles the information better than humans. These are some of the advantages of artificial intelligence. Now we discuss about the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. The first one is the implementation cost of AI is very cost. It is very cost. And second one is it difficult what software development for AI implementation, and that development of software is a show and expensive for efficient problem are able to develop software to implement artificial intelligence. And third one is a robot is one implementation of artificial intelligence that them replaces jobs leads to serve unemployment. And final is missions can easily lead a description if implementation of input the wrong handles it results a hazards of human beings. These are some of the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. And now we see applications of artificial intelligence. We have some applications of artificial intelligence like optical character registration, ha- handwriting recognition, speech recognition, face recognition, and some of that. In this, administrative tasks automated to aid electors, voice assistant, autonomous vehicles, fraud presenter. These are the some of the artificial intelligence we are seeing here. And next we are going to machine learning. First, machine learning. What is machine learning? We have to know what is machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but is a branch of artificial intelligence that is broadly defined as ability of machines of mimic intelligent human behaviors. This means can preserve visual sense, understand text written in natural language, or perform tasks in a physical world. Machine learning is a data analysis technique that techniques computers to do comes normally to humans and animals. In this, the people may get out what is machine learning is used for, why machine learning is used for. Now I am telling about why machine learning is used for. Machine learning is used in internet search engines. Internet search engines, email filters to sort our spam, websites to make personalized recommendations, being software detect unusual transactions, and lot of apps on our phones such that voice recognition. And next we are going to see some applications of machine learning. Nothing but speech recognition, traffic prediction, visual personal assistant, online fraud detection, email spam recognition. These are the some of the applications of machine learning. And now we are discussing about deep learning. Deep learning is the machine language and artificial language technique that minimize how people acquire certain types of information. Deep learning is highly useful for data scientists who are responsible for gathering, analyzing, in interpreting mass volume of data. It spreads out and simplifies the process. And next we are going to see about problem statement is nothing but customer segmentation. Customer customer segmentation is the process of categorizing your clients based on their numerous qualities. It's a method of business to have a better understanding of their customers. It's a simpler to make strategic decisions about product growth and making when you understand the various across customer segments. And here we are seeing some methodologies of customer recognition, and these are some four methodologies of customer segmentation. And first one is geometric and demographic. Third one is behavioral and psychological. These are the four methodologies of customer segmentation. And next we are going to see in problem description. Here we are going to see ideation of problem statement. The elbow method uses to sum of squares of the values within a cluster to find the optimal values of the number of customers. This shows how clusters created are isolated from each other. In this case, the K-maps algorithm is evaluated or multiply values of K, and for each value of K, it intra-cluster of sum of squares of values of computed. This means silhouette method is a measure of how will each data points fits into it of a cluster. This method evaluates the quality of clustering. In general, a higher average silhouette width means better clustering results. And this is one of the ideation of problem statement. The gap static method of a method of measuring the values of gap statistic. This gap statistic is a difference between overall within the cluster change of various k values compared to the expected value. This calculation is performed using a zero reference distribution of data points. The optimal number of clusters is the one of the minimization, the skip statistic value. And these are the ideation, some of the ideation of problem statement. And finally we are going to conclusion. In this conclusion we are seeing it's not wise to serve all customers with the same product model: email, text, messages, companies, or ad. Customers have different needs. A one size for all approach to business will generally result in less engagement, lower click-through rates, and ultimately fewer sales. Customer segmentation is the cure for problem. And finding the optimal number of unique customers grouping helps to understand how your customers are different and give you exactly what they want. Customer segmentation improves the customer experience and increases company between line. This is why segmentation is essential to out perform your computers and reach more customers. During this, with machine learning is definitely the right way to go. And these are the some of the artificial intelligence and machine learning, a real world case study problem. And for listening this, I hope this is very useful to you and which is helpful to your future also. And I will come back with some more interesting videos which is useful to us. If you won't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that we can make good videos. Thank you guys, and hopeful that it is very useful to you. Thank you.